The pandemic and the exam period had a huge impact on learners' well-being and their mental health, and I think in the school we did the best we could to make sure that the pupils were taken care of, making sure that their mental health didn't deteriorate because of the stress caused by the pandemic.
We've had some sessions with learning performances, with how to go about revising, and I think that's helped us a lot, knowing the effective ways of revision ready for our exams as well. Also, we've got an officer for the sixth formers which we can go to talk to about anything that we're worried about, and that's really good that we know we've got someone to talk to with our problems in a way.
We are working extremely hard in this school to ensure that our students are well supported. We have learning performance who've come in to do sessions to support students with their learning, how to learn, how to revise, and then some more holistic approaches to mental well-being.
The other day we had like a mental well-being day where people came in and taught us how to revise efficiently, with mental health being a priority. They were talking about how to cope with exams, and it was good. We did some meditation, it calmed you down, and the woman was really good with that.
I've just had classes to help revise and go over different techniques to remember your work and to prepare for exams and stuff, and it's been very helpful and eye-opening really. The people explaining it to us were brilliant. They were very energetic as well, so we didn't fall asleep during the whole thing. But no, good experience.
Mental health is a subject that we are so open to talk about in the media, in our society by now. It's so important as well that the children know and understand that mental health and their mental health is so important to us in the school.